Hi, smart builders. I'm Natasha from Construction Bay. Today we talk about Kleemann MR Mr. 130Z EVO 2 Impact Crusher. The Kleemann MR Mr. 130Z EVO 2 Impact Crusher is a versatile and powerful machine used for crushing and processing natural rock and recycling materials. Its role in road construction is critical, particularly in recycling road material and preparing aggregate for road base. Equipped with a Scania DC13 diesel engine, the Mr. 130Z EVO 2 delivers an impressive 493 horsepower. Its crusher inlet width stands at 52 inches, which, combined with the machine's overall design, ensures a high material flow and capacity. A standout feature of the Mr. 130Z EVO 2 is its continuous feed system, CFS. This system ensures a continuous and even material flow to the crusher, which improves the overall efficiency and productivity of the machine. From the perspective of the operator, the Mr. 130Z EVO 2 provides a comfortable and efficient work environment. The machine features a large, well-arranged operator panel providing easy access to all controls and displays. Its secondary screening unit also provides a higher overall output and a more consistent final product quality. The Mr. 130Z EVO 2 also excels in maintenance. It features an intelligent design allowing for easy and safe maintenance procedures. The crusher is also equipped with a lock and turn safety system, which offers safe roller ledge change and release of bridging. The machine demonstrates environmental responsibility with its fuel-efficient engine and noise and dust suppression system. Its eco mode reduces fuel consumption by up to 15%. Thanks for lovely full watch. Subscribe for the next video. Give a like, comment, share. For inspire me. Thank you.